Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Todoist's priority colors effectively, your complete guide for 2025. To kick things off, you'll first need to understand the color coding system of Todoist. There are 4 priority levels, each with a corresponding color: red for priority 1, orange for priority 2, yellow for priority 3, and white for no priority. This color coding system is designed to help you visually prioritize your tasks and manage your day more efficiently. Now let's get to assigning priorities to your tasks. To do this, you just click on the task, then click on the priority flag and select the priority level. This is important because the color you choose represents the urgency and importance of the task. If it's a high priority task that needs immediate attention, make it red. A task that can wait a bit longer can be orange or yellow, and tasks with no time sensitivity can be white. The reason we do this is to create a visual hierarchy of tasks, which can be a game changer for productivity. It's easier to tackle what's most important first when you can quickly glance at your list and see the red tasks at the top. Now, moving on to the next step. Once you've assigned your tasks their respective colors, you can sort your task list by priority. Click on the filter icon and select Sort by Priority. This helps us because it automatically organizes your tasks from highest to lowest priority, giving you a clear view of what needs your immediate attention and what can be deferred. Let me explain why this matters. In a busy routine, we often get overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks we need to accomplish. By sorting tasks by priority, you can focus on completing the most critical tasks first, reducing stress and increasing productivity. Last but not least, remember to regularly review and adjust task priorities as needed. Things change, and so should your task priorities. Regularly reassessing your task priorities and their corresponding colors will ensure that you're always working on what's most important. And that's it. That's how you can effectively use Todoist's priority colors to manage your tasks and time more efficiently. It's a simple system, but one that can have a profound impact on your productivity when used correctly. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.